Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, June 21st. Greetings from Torch Lake in northwestern Michigan. Let's take a look at that NASDAQ market, and what we see here is we see a market that I said would be unchanged to lower. Well, it went quite a bit lower. Two things you want to keep in mind. China or Asia has not had a chance to absorb fundamental information that comes out in the United States, same as for Europe. We also have some issues when it comes to the availability of cash in China. That's been tightened a bit. So we're seeing that all of that reflected in this move. I'm looking for an unchanged type market in the stock market. In the euro, we see the US dollar got stronger as capital flowed towards that in times of uncertainty. Also, the difference between this bearish level and bullish level in the euro is 253 ticks. I'm not suggesting that you would get that type of return, but I want you to understand that magnitude of change. Over here in Japanese yen, you also see the market traded below that bearish level, and that difference between the bullish level and bearish level there is 315 ticks in that particular market. And I'm not, again, suggesting you would get that, but here's something I want you to keep in mind. If you're interested in trading currencies, and you haven't done that before, but you feel you've worked out your strategy, you have risk management concepts in place, you might want to begin trading microcurrencies. And microcurrencies have 1/10 the value of these full-size contracts. So for the euro and for the Japanese yen, each tick, so 315 ticks, so each one of those ticks is worth $12.50. In the micro contract, it's worth $1.25. So it allows you to initiate a position with a lower capital requirement as well as a lower value per tick. So just something to keep in mind. When we're looking at interest rates, I'm looking for an unchanged type market there. And when it comes to metals, I feel the same way. We see a little bit of buying coming back here in Asia right now. I'm looking for that to continue. I don't think people want to go home short that market. And when it comes to crude oil, the difference here between that bullish and bearish level is $1. And again, there's mini contracts in this market as well. $1 has a value of $1,000 when it comes to the full-size contract. Each penny, it trades in pennies. Each penny is $10. But there's also a mini contract which reduces, again, capital requirement. Something to keep in mind if you're interested in trading that market. If we look at the grains, I'm looking for a sideways market here in soybeans. It came off a little bit, but I'm not looking for a dramatic follow through. I'm looking for an unchanged market there as well. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.